Hello guys, and welcome back. And today again for the free playlist and free series. I know that today you need or you want some free C++ projects. So again, I got you a free website that you can find everything here, and it is darikdari.com. I love this website, you know me. So just go to this website, just write darikdari.com, and then go here to the navbar to projects with source code, and just go to C++ projects, a little bit of ads, and as you can see here, you will find a lot of projects. By the way, guys, you can find JavaScript, Python, Java, PHP, computer, blah, 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 so you can find a lot of projects. And by the way, they are posting projects every single day, so you can just come and get another project. So let's just get any project for now. Let's see how it is written. So as you can see here, they will put for you requirements of each and every project. They will tell you exactly what is it, and then they will give you the code. And also, guys, they will explain every single thing, and they will give you some optional enhancements that you can add. And by the way, let's just go to any other project. Okay, for example, by the way, for example, for this project, they gave you source code for a lot. Well, let's see here for C++, C, Python, PHP, and Java, so you can read the project, what is it exactly, and then just click in here and you will find the source code. Guys, it is amazing. Oh, they gave away 10% of cheap flights. All right, I will see it. Okay, so guys, as I told you, you can find the code with explanation, with every single thing. As you can see here, the explanation, what are the libraries that they worked with, what is this function, what is the other function, the main function, what is it, so everything is done, everything is written. So if your teacher will tell you exactly what is the project, so did you do it? So yes, you have every single thing in here. And also they put sometimes some questions that the teacher can ask. I don't know if it is in here. There is no in this project. This project they didn't write questions, but in some projects they really write. By the way, as I told you, they post every day a project. So as you can see, this for 1 week ago. Let's see, PHP, this is 3 days ago. For Java, so they put everything. So guys, you can find lots of projects. And if you need, by the way, specific project, just go to contact us and write down your name and your email for sure, because they will respond to you, and write them what do you want exactly, and I'm sure that they will put it for you and do it for you. Because I did one for Python. I really wanted a code for a game, which is where is it, so it is the, I didn't find the Flames games. So I really want to get the code of this, and I contacted them and they put it for me. So guys, this website is just amazing. You can find lots of coding languages with projects. So just come to darikdari.com and get the coding project that you want with free source code. All right, you guys, this video is super quick. I just wanted to show you this website and the free CSS C++ projects, and that's it. Okay, so see you in the next video, and bye bye.